What's the meaning of Cumbria? Cumbria. Cumbria.
Cumbria. Cumbria. Cumbria is a county located in the northwest of England. The name Cumbria is believed to have Celtic origins, meaning land of the Cymry or land of the Britons. The region is known for its stunning natural beauty, including the Lake District National Park, which attracts millions of visitors every year. Cumbria has a rich history, with evidence of human activity dating back to prehistoric times. The county is also home to several charming towns and villages, each with their own unique character and attractions.